The Khan of Khans!
Okay, hi, what's good? Welcome back to another video. So today I am taking a look at the Phenyx Pro PT-5000A, or is it PTU-5000A? It's somewhere in the box. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, I am taking a look at this microphone system. It's a 4-channel, 4-microphone UHF cordless wireless mic bundle, full metal, high quality for events, churches, karaoke, weddings, and stuff like that, essentially. And you probably notice I am actually monitoring the audio that I am putting down right now with this headphones. Phenyx Pro was actually kind enough to also send me their USB audio mixing interface, which is also a 4-channel audio interface that has like a USB interface bundled with it. So I am able to send the audio from the main thing into the USB mixer, and then I am recording that directly into Adobe Audition. Nothing else has been changed. I have not touched this audio. I have not EQ'd, normalized, or anything. The only thing I have done is increase the volume enough so that you guys can hear me. Now, just before we go any further, I am aware that I am not wearing my regular Kagan hoodies. I apologize. I think we'll be fine for this one video without the hoodie. Here's the thing about this microphone system. I have reviewed about 3 of this types of microphone systems for events and stuff, and they have all ended up being pretty much the exact same thing, or sounding pretty much alike and functioning pretty much alike. It's pretty much the exact same thing. 4 microphones in a bundle, you get batteries, you get the audio receiver unit, you get 2 antennas, you get a 3.5 audio cable thing that you can pass through the back into your mixer or your audio interface or wherever you're passing it through. You get a power brick, and that's pretty much it. Aside that, you're probably going to get like a manual or something like that, which I'm pretty sure I got in the box, but I didn't bother touching that because it's straightforward. Now, the only difference between this microphone system and other microphone systems that are similar to this one that I noticed is that the on and off button for this is somewhere at the bottom back of the microphone. It's actually very easy to miss. Like, if you didn't see it, like, I didn't check the manual, but you probably have to check the manual when you buy it to really know that this is here. Like, I was looking at the mic for a moment and wondering where that went, but it's actually right there. It's just kind of hidden away, which I guess could be a good thing, so you're not mistakenly turning off your mic when you're using this microphone system. There's also a place where you can turn your volume up and turn your volume down. It's all here. I think the volume for this right now is somewhere around 80%. Yeah, so that helps me, decide what microphone is supposed to be for the lead speaker or lead singer or whatever, and what microphone is supposed to be for the backups and stuff, if this is something that I'm using for a church, for example. And ultimately, there's really honestly not much else to say about this microphone system. The device that I'll be more or most interested in speaking about is going to have to be the Phenyx Pro USB audio interface right there that they sent me. That little piece of kit has honestly been my favorite piece of technology that I have acquired in the last few months as far as audio equipment goes. It just makes my life so much easier. It makes working with audio so much more fun. The fact that I have a mixer on there that I can use to mess with the audio. And by the way, if you bundle this, I've always been saying with microphone systems like this, if you bundle them with a mixer as opposed to just a regular audio interface, you can actually mess with the signal before you send it into the computer or whatever device it is you're using to take down your audio. Or even if you're just broadcasting live, it's actually a lot better to use a mixer like this because it lets you be able to, mess with the highs, the lows, and the mid. And you can even add some delay if you want. You can, all the buttons and the knobs and everything are there if you want to mess with that. Yes, so audio quality wise, this microphone is great. It works fine. Now, just like the other microphones like this that we've tested in the past, the main complaint that I have with this microphone systems is the same thing. You have to speak directly into the microphone capsule for it to actually capture your voice and for the audio to be usable. If you take the mic off axis or you speak a little farther away, it's not really going to be picking you up. I mean, you can probably still hear me, but the audio quality is going to be messed up. So you have to speak directly into the capsule for the microphone to pick you up. And honestly, I feel like they could probably improve in this regard over, next iterations of this microphone system. Price-wise, this is below $200. I believe I paid around $190 for this, which is honestly not a lot of money for a microphone system of this quality, bundled with 4 microphones, all wireless, and the thing is full metal build. Everything is high quality. You can't really fault them for that price. It's a really good price. So ultimately, what's my verdict about this microphone? I think it's a great microphone system if you're starting a small church, if you're starting an event center, if you need something for weddings, if you need something for karaoke, this is probably the way to go. It's cheap. It's well, not cheap, but it's affordable relative to what you'd pay for something like this from like a name brand company. This is relatively affordable. So do I recommend this? Absolutely. If you're looking for a microphone bundle for this particular purposes, that is events, karaoke, weddings, and churches, stuff like that, this is definitely a microphone system or a microphone bundle that you want to check out. There's, like I said, there's honestly not a lot to say about this microphone system. I would have been showing you some B-roll footage of this microphone system throughout, you know, this video so that you can check it out. Now, I could probably just get up from the studio right now and walk around my house, walk outside the door and see if it picks up. But the truth is, it's going to work because I honestly feel like this is the exact same microphone system that I have reviewed before. It's just like a different brand with a different logo and like a different thing. So the Phenyx Pro PTU-5000 is a great device to own if you need something at this price point for events, weddings, karaoke, or churches. But this is not for podcasts. It's not for live broadcasts on the radio or anything like that. This is literally for live performances, churches, events, karaoke, weddings, things like that. It is not for podcasts, I repeat. So don't buy this and expect to use it for your in-house podcast or whatever it is don't do that. This is for live events. It's for live events. Make sure you remember this when you purchase this. Anyways, that is literally all that I have to say about this microphone system. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on another video that was shot by Kagan. Peace. The God of gods